Can you use the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to record yourself for your YouTube videos instead of a mirrorless camera? Well, let me show you how this scene would look like if I was to use that camera. Let's do it. Oh yeah, that's right, I'm already using it. Welcome back to the channel, this is Chris. Let me first show you my settings in camera. First thing you want to change is the ISO. Make sure you set your ISO to 50 so you get the best image quality you can get out of this camera. Then you want to set your white balance. My white balance currently is 4800 because I have some blue light, I have some yellow light. So you have to do some tests, but just make sure that you set it manually. Then set your frame rate. I'm set to 25 frames per second here in Europe, but you can go 24, 29, 30, depending on the look you want and how your workflow is. Then for the shutter speed, just double it. So if you're shooting 25 frames per second, then go 1/50th of a second. If you're shooting 30 frames per second, set it to 1/60th of a second. Next, make sure you deactivate the auto tracking. I love the auto tracking of this camera, I really do. But for YouTube video, it's best not to have it if you don't want people to get seasick. In terms of color profile, I'm using the DJI flat profile. That gives me a little bit more flexibility in post. Last but not least, for the audio, I'm using the little wireless mic that's included when you buy the creator combo, and it works great. Let me now show you the office. First off, here I have my keylight. So this is a very simple LED panel, nothing too special. I'm set to 70% of the power, which is pretty strong, but you have to do some tests and see what works best. Then on this side here, we have a rim light or background light, and this little guy here is set to 5%. This is the SmallRig RC120D. I've set it to 5% because of how strong it is, and I don't want it to look like an aura around my head. So you can use something way less powerful. A little LED light or something will definitely do. I have some lights over here, practical lights. We got one here, one in the corner over there, my logo. Then I use this little June light right here. I'm gonna turn it on. So this is set to blue to balance a little bit the yellow light. This is set to 30%, so it's really not strong, but that's gonna fill a little bit the shadows of my face. There, I hope this gave you a little insight as to how you can use this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for your YouTube videos. I think this is a beast of a camera if you use it properly and if you have the right settings. Let me know in the comment section below if you're considering using it for your YouTube videos and or what you're currently using. I see you very soon. Keep smiling, take care, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.